Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's legal battle may not be over yet. On Thursday, Heard's lawyers filed a notice to appeal the verdict in the defamation case with her ex-husband. According to a statement obtained by NBC News on Thursday, reps for Heard said they, quote, believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment and are therefore appealing. The statement went on to acknowledge the ongoing social media commentary surrounding the legal saga, adding, while we realize today's filing will ignite the Twitter bonfires, there are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice. Depp's team had yet to comment publicly on the appeal as of Thursday. In June, a jury sided with the actor's claims that his ex-wife had defamed him in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed in which she described herself as a survivor of domestic abuse but did not mention Depp by name. The finalized verdict stated that Depp will be awarded $10 million in compensatory damages. At the time, the jury also awarded him $5 million in punitive damages, but that amount was reduced by the judge to $350,000, the state of Virginia's statutory cap. Heard was also awarded $2 million in damages after the jury found that one of the statements Depp's former lawyer Adam Waldman made to the Daily Mail was defamatory to her. Depp's legal team objected to that judgment. Heard's team previously announced their intent to appeal, and the latest development follows another setback for her. Last week, the Virginia judge who presided over the case tossed the Aquaman star's bid for a new trial, according to court documents obtained by Access Hollywood. Heard had filed for a mistrial earlier this month. The actress's attorneys had alleged that a juror mix-up prevented her from receiving due process and entitled her to a new trial, but the judge disagreed. The initial proceedings were televised and live-streamed, dominating headlines with several standout moments. One of Depp's lawyers, Camille Vasquez, was the talk of social media for her courtroom approach, and she also became an inspiration for young girls everywhere. In her first one-on-one TV interview since the verdict, Camille talked exclusively with Access Hollywood's Mario Lopez and got personal when recalling a touching story about a mother who drove her daughter to the trial so she could watch the powerhouse attorney at work.
I remember grabbing my daughter and saying, see, Gia, see, then he goes, that you can be that girl right there that's on TV. But not just for other young Latinas, for other young girls in general. It's got to be very inspirational.
Absolutely. I was in trial, and I had a mother drive her to watch the trial. During one of the breaks, she stopped me and she made me cry because she said, I took my daughter out of school. It was important enough because I wanted her to meet you. And, you know, she said there aren't role models out there, young, female, Hispanic role models for her to look up to, and you've been that for her. So thank you. And I was really touched by that. And I don't know how it happened, but other than I was just doing my job.